Hey, what's up my people? My name is Unos. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make any entity say something. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead, you're going to find yourself an entity. Let's go ahead and get ourselves one. Let's choose, how about a panda? No. A pig. Yes. Pig. Right? What you want to do? You want to do this. You want to do slash data. No, sorry, not data. You want to do slash execute as, and then look at the pig and do this. Right? And you don't need to copy paste it. And then do run, say, and then type anything. So, my name is Chris P. Bacon. And there, he said it. You can also do this with boats, because they are also entities. So you can do the same thing, execute as, and that's the boats, uuid, and then run, say, boat noises. You can also execute anything as a boat. So you can you can run anything. You can do effect, give at P, levitation, and 10 seconds and 1. He gave me it. No, I didn't mean to do that. Give at E. Now he has given everybody levitation. Need to get in the boat. I know that's how you do it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. And if you hated it so much that you're going to dislike it and leave a rude comment, go ahead and do that. Thanks for watching. Stay hydrated. Peace. And stay hydrated. I already said that.